Healthway Medical Corporation is one of the largest private healthcare providers in family medicine, pediatrics, orthopedics, aesthetic medicine, and traditional Chinese medicine. The group's 80 clinics and medical centers include Thomson Pediatric Center, Singapore Baby and Child Clinic, Island Orthopedic Consultants, Silver Cross, Neuglow the Aesthetics Doctors, Aaron Xiao Dental, and Universal Dental. Healthway Medical's network of family clinics and various specialist centers are located island-wide and in the main private hospitals in Singapore. Singapore Baby and Child Clinic, or SBCC, a Healthway Medical Specialist Practice Group, is a recognized leader in the field of pediatric care. Together, Pediatric Centre and Singapore Baby and Child Clinic form Singapore's largest private pediatric group. Along with the group's ambition to develop more specialized services, the Pediatric Centre has added a new child behavioral medicine clinic with programs designed to develop a child's mind, behavior, emotions, and neurological functions. Comprised of internationally renowned physicians and nurses, the team works with hospitals across all specialties and with primary caregivers in the community for an interdisciplinary approach to pediatric care. Healthway's Specialist Pediatric Unit is available for babies, children up to 16 years of age, and even in specialties. Adults require treatment and support on an inpatient, outpatient or daycare basis. Using the latest medical technology, SBCC pediatric subspecialties include gastroenterology, neurology and neonatology, dermatology, respiratory rheumatology, dietitian, ear, nose and throat, and infectious diseases immunization. Under Healthway Medical's management, Pediatric Centre continues to add new services such as pediatric wellness and behavioral medicine. Apart from managing common psychological issues like learning and behavioral disorders, resident psychologist Joanne Staunton has introduced IQ assessment and behavioral tests to help assess the strengths and weaknesses of a normal child's learning abilities. Through the tests, parents can better understand and identify their child's mental capabilities and work towards cultivating his unique talents.
Memory training is a very new area and it's very important. They find that if you can continue memory training for a few months, you do have very drastic improvements in their school performance because they're no longer distracted. They can follow instructions, so they can do what they're asked. They can organize better and they can tackle more complex problems.
Under Healthway Medical Specialist Practice Groups, Island Orthopedic Consultancy provides one of the finest orthopedic surgical procedures, trauma care and reconstructive procedures for adults and children. Established in 1995, the Island Orthopedic Group is one of the largest private specialist group practices in Singapore. Working closely as a team, each orthopedic surgeon is skilled in his own subspecialty in elbow, knee or hip replacement, spinal surgery or sports medicine. The group has helped many patients, including the elderly and national soccer players, regain mobility and confidence. Using the latest minimally invasive surgery techniques, injuries like ligament and meniscus tears, dislocated shoulders and ankles can be fixed with less post-operative pain. Island orthopedic surgeons and consultants believe in the constant embracing of new technology for the benefit of their patients.
New technology enables us to do many things that we were not able to or not even dare to dream of 10, 20 years ago. And that's good good news for everyone, because we hope that with this advancement of technology, we can restore function as much as possible and accelerate healing as much as possible.
At SportsMed Central, a Healthway Medical Specialist Group, shorter healing time has become possible thanks to platelet-rich plasma, or PRP, a new biotechnology that stimulates and accelerates tissue healing and bone regeneration. A sample of the patient's blood is placed in a specialized centrifuge that spins and separates the red blood cells from the plasma. Then the platelet-rich layer of plasma is injected back into the patient's injured spot. With a PRP procedure, professional athletes and even the weekend warriors can get back in action in the quickest time. Being at the forefront of medical advances and technologies, Healthway Medical is poised to meet the demands of its expanding patient base.
Two very important major steps we'll be looking at in this direction will be, number one, to look at critically our services and processes and see how we can improve these for our patients so that the whole experience of visiting a doctor can be transformed. Right now we have pediatrics, we have orthopedics, we have aesthetics, we have dental surgery. We are thinking of adding on ENT, eye surgery, general surgery, and for each one of these specialist services, we want to attract doctors who want to work in a team together with other specialists, because we believe that with several subspecialists serving in a team, we can offer to the patient the best treatment they can get.
Healthway Medical is one of the largest private integrated healthcare providers in Singapore, with a network of more than 80 clinics offering outpatient healthcare services across Singapore. Healthway Medical takes care of the basic as well as chronic diseases of 1/6 of our local population. The primary healthcare needs of the entire family is taken care of with modern facilities that include comprehensive medical screening and health assessment packages, diagnostics and imaging services, dentistry and orthodontics, ambulatory services, 24-hour medical services, aesthetic medicine and traditional Chinese medicine wellness practice.
We are aware the modern consumer is very knowledgeable and has got access to a lot of knowledge. So they're able to scout the whole of Asia, the whole of the world, to look for the best care for themselves and for the family. We believe that we have the system and the processes to do just that. Yeah? We have the services from GP services to specialist care to subspecialist care, and we also have a broad range of wellness services.
Clinical skincare and aesthetic treatments are available at neuglow, the Aesthetic Doctors, a Healthway medical practice group. Treatments range from plasma skin rejuvenation, body contouring, weight reduction to anti-aging and cosmetic surgery. A specialist navigation program helps local and foreign patients understand their options as they seek out the most suitable care that they need. The program is designed to provide quality health care personalized with a human touch.
Very importantly in our company is people. We want to attract people with a strong sense of purpose, with a strong sense of integrity, to provide good and honest care to the patients. As a company, we want to provide the environment, the infrastructure to support such people. Our management, our doctors, our nurses, we welcome them into the company to fulfill their ambition, their dreams, to provide that.
And performance of the company is testament to its strengths. The net profit rose from $820,000 in 2006 to $5.6 million in 2007. The group registered a net profit of $7.2 million in the first 9 months of 2008, minus a one-time listing fee of $1.5 million. In terms of revenue by sector, primary healthcare accounted for 53% of overall group revenue in financial year 2007, while specialist and wellness healthcare contributed 47% during the same period.
For the industry as a whole, unless we are seeing a reoccurrence of a major event like SARS, we do not expect the revenue to be volatile. In fact, the revenue should be quite smooth and the margin should be quite stable.
Apart from actively surveying opportunities in the local market, the group aims to become one of the largest pan-Asian medical groups, covering China and the Middle East through organic growth, alliances and acquisitions.